All right, this is a little walkthrough on how to use my randomized pattern sets to be used with conversational solfege. I do have them laid out in Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3, and Unit 4, labeling as familiar sets and unfamiliar sets. I don't want to give too much explanation on how to decide when to use familiar and unfamiliar and how to use that, because that is information that is in the conversational solfege manuals and training. If that's something you're interested in, definitely go to giamusic.com and check out those resources, or go to the Fly Robin Fundamentals Facebook group. It's an incredible resource if you're just getting started. Now, when you purchase this product, you'll get access to a Google Drive, specifically a Google Drive, because there is an external feature you have to use that I don't actually own. If it ever breaks, I will recreate it. So you'll get a drive that looks like this. So the first thing we have highlighted is Unit 1, Decoding Familiar Step, Pattern Set 1A. You can find these patterns listed out entirely in Conversational Solfege resources. When you open it, you will get a slideshow with every familiar tonal pattern, or unfamiliar if you choose one of that slideshow, listed out. I can just present it and show the kids one at a time and click through so they can see each one and read it out loud, or to themselves, or on an instrument in some way. But the beauty of this product, and the reason I made it, is it's randomized. So your kids don't just know the next one is do day, do day, do day, do. It's always going to be different every time, so you can show they're actually reading. Now, in order to do that, you need to get an add-on for Google Slides called the Slides Randomizer. I have it listed down here on each slide so you can find it. And the way you do it, you have to be using Google Chrome for it to work, meaning you could do this on a Chromebook if you actually needed to. So you click that link to get to the Google Suite Marketplace, and you'll see the Slide Randomizer add-on. I already have it installed, but this green button over here will say install the first time you come here, or get, I believe, and then install. And then it'll be available for every Google Slides presentation you have. In order to use it, it'll show up right here under the add-ons menu and the Slides Randomizer. So I highlight Slides Randomizer, I'm clicking Randomize Presentation. See, it worked, asking would I like to keep slide 1 as a title slide? No, I would not, because it's one of the patterns. So no, there. My slide has been randomized, and now it's a completely different order. Do day do, followed by do day do. So it's a different order than it was before. That way I can use this more than once. I don't have to bounce around and have the kids following my hands and getting lost, not following that direction, which is something I do notice happens to me when I'm trying to read sometimes in these activities. I did go through to make sure that some of them are stems ups and some of them are stems down, because music does show up in both ways. If you found that I made a mistake in some way or something breaks, please let me know. If you would prefer to not be reliant on me owning the file here, and would prefer to have it in your own Google Drive, what you can do is go up here to the folder, hit move to. Yours might also say move to or add to my drive. Click that and it'll give you ownership, so you're not reliant on me. All right, if you have any questions, do please email me. I like to be helpful. Have a great day.